She's got dreams bigger than your doubts, and no amount of negativity can hold her back. When others tell her it's impossible, she just gets started. She knows what it's like to be underestimated, but that's her fuel. Every no, every setback, only drives her harder toward her goals. She's the one who keeps going when the world tells her to stop. She's not afraid to aim high because she knows she has what it takes to get there. Her ambition doesn't depend on anyone else's approval. She's building her future brick by brick, and nothing's going to stand in her way. She doesn't need the spotlight to shine. Her drive lights up the path ahead. She's not just dreaming, she's doing, and soon enough, the world will see. Because her dreams, they're too big to ignore. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind. And don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.